Hi, Sky. Scared. Neo. Come on, Neo. We got a new friend right here, Neo. Neo. Hi, Neo. Neo. Hi, Neo. Hi. And this is Flight. You can see him. He's a ringneck. You can see him with light. It's red, and it's actually morning. Look at Flighty Flight. Flight is so cute looking at the camera. Hi, Neo. You're looking at the camera? Neo, look at the camera. Neo, look at the camera. Hi, Sky. So cute.
How about the cute birdie?
I did it. The cute birdie. This cute little spot bird. So cute. Did you think it's cute right now? It does look cute. Goodbye, guys.